Let's talk about the key differences between Philips core line and Philips Luminaire wall-mounted. Philips wall-mounted luminaires are normally installed in application areas such as corridors, staircases, public entrance areas, bathrooms, emergency exits, parking garages, and outdoor areas. Core line offers savings up to 66% compared to conventional lighting, with an efficacy of up to 110 lumen watts. Luminaire offers up to 60% savings with 100 lumen watts. Core line is round and comes with a white, black or grey housing and an opal cover. Matching half-moon accessories are also available. Luminaire is available in two shapes, rectangular and round, both with a white housing and an opal cover. Both families are UVC resistant with an IP65 rating, and core line features IK10 vandal resistance. Luminaire IK08. Core line offers lumen outputs of up to 3550 lumen and Luminaire up to 1700 lumen. Both comes in two color temperatures. Core line also offers the possibility of multi-lumen and multicolor options in just one single luminaire. Regarding dimming options, both ranges offer an integrated motion and daylight sensor, and in addition, Core line offers 110 volts dimming, DALI, and smart lighting control. This means that Core line can be wireless connected to our smart lighting platform Intract Pro. Emergency lighting versions are available in the Core line range. Our Philips wall-mounted are designed for swift installation. Pushing connectors and the possibility of through wiring installation on a maximum run of 10 luminaires is available for you. And as a plus, Philips Core line wall-mounted has the ENEC mark. If you want to learn more on Philips wall-mounted, check out wall-mounted in the Signify LumExpert app. Thanks for watching.